Welcome. In this tutorial, we will explore the functionality of the TestNexus application. After you have successfully downloaded and opened the app, you will be prompted to log in. Currently, the only available method is through your Google account. Simply tap Continue with Google, select the account you wish to use, and you'll be logged in. This brings us to the home screen. Since we don't have any profiles created yet, the list is empty. Our goal is to create a custom user profile and then use it to automatically fill forms in a target application. Let's start by tapping the Create Custom Profile button. On the Create Profile screen, you'll see several fields. You can fill these out manually to create a specific user, or you can use the convenient autofill feature. For this example, I'll use autofill. First, tap on Country of Birth and select your desired country. I'll scroll down and choose United States of America. Notice that after selecting the country, an autofill button appears. Tapping this button instantly populates all the fields with realistic data for a US-based user. You can still edit any of this information if you need to. Once you're satisfied, tap Save Profile. You'll be returned to the home screen, where you can now see the newly created profile. Let's quickly create a few more profiles to demonstrate how to manage them. I'll repeat the process, this time selecting India and using autofill, and I'll save it. Next, I'll create one more for Austria, and save that one as well. With multiple profiles, you can use the filter at the top. For instance, if I select United States, only the profile for that country is displayed. This is very useful when you have hundreds of profiles. Let's set the filter back to All. Now, to use a profile for autofill, you must designate it as a favorite. The information from your single favorite profile is what will be used in other apps. I want to use the profile for Lucas from the United States. So I'm going to long press on the profile I want to use. When the menu pops up, I'll simply tap Favorite to make it my active profile. Next, we need to configure Android to use TestNexus as its autofill service. This is a one-time setup. The exact location of this setting can vary depending on your phone's manufacturer. But for a Google Pixel phone, you'll want to jump into your phone's main settings menu. From there, scroll down and tap on the Security and Privacy section. Once you're in there, look for an option called More Security and Privacy and give that a tap to find what we're looking for. Here you will find Autofill Service. Tap on it, select TestNexus, and confirm your choice. Now for the final step. Let's open our sample application form. When I tap on any input field, Android now prompts me to fill with TestNexus. Tapping this prompt instantly fills the entire form with the information from our favorite profile, Lucas. Let's see how easy it is to switch profiles. I'll go back to TestNexus, unfavorite Lucas, and make our user from India the new favorite. Now returning to the form and tapping a field again, the prompt reappears. When I select Fill with TestNexus, it now populates the form with the Indian user's data. And that's how you can use TestNexus to create, manage, and deploy custom user profiles to streamline your application testing.